Welcome to the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. This is your Sacral Chakra reading for this week. It's really made to help you attune and evolve the energies of this chakra on a weekly basis. So our first card is from the Art Oracles deck, and it is Louise Bourgeois. By the way, I'm going to start with interpretations directly from the books and then go into an intuitive interpretation towards the end. So themes associated with this card are remembering through art is better than forgetting, and inference is worth 1,000 appendages. Draw on private pain to connect with the public. Louise Bourgeois was lucky enough to experience enough childhood trauma to influence an art career that thrived well into her 98th year on Earth. She worked in a variety of media, including sculpture and illustration, exploring themes on personal history and shitty family dynamics. She scrutinized and subverted domesticity. She is recognized for her large-scale public sculptures of spiders, an ode to her dexterous, protective mother, among other reoccurring symbols and sexually suggestive forms. Later in life, she was generous with her time and brutal honesty. In her New York home, she held Sunday salons for young artists, to whom she personally served their own asses for making bad art. And our accompanying card is coming from the Myths and Mermaids Oracle deck, and it's going to be speaking on behalf of the Well Matrix chakra from the earth. And we have Golden Mermaid. A beautiful mermaid with shimmering tail lounges in a tropical sea. Her golden scales speak of decadence and excess. Her expression displays boredom and complacency. She's comfortable, perhaps too comfortable, in her opulence and docileness. It is easy to become complacent with one's situation and surroundings, but it is dangerous too. The status quo is simple to maintain, but ceasing to strive for more leads to stagnation. Even if you are not dissatisfied with your environment, do not be afraid to set goals and actively pursue them. Get out of your comfortable rut and push yourself. Stretch your mind, your body, and your boundaries to see what you can accomplish. When you put your mind to it, you have been in the same place mentally, emotionally, physically, and spiritually for too long. And it is time to move on to bigger and better places. Keep in mind, however, that not everyone around you may be prepared to or even interested in moving up with you. This may be a move that is yours alone. So intuitively what I'm getting is a very intense contrast here, super contrast in energy, that the immediate experience that we are having to this chakra, to our sense of creativity, especially that which comes together as male and female energies that can really birth something new. It feels old, it feels fragile, it feels hairy, it feels perhaps under attack by something quite large, something quite scary. It feels as if the entire world is experiencing this, and it's isolating. as if nothing else is even existing aside from this imminent threat to our sense of vitality. Yet coming in and getting that even in better times, even when we are at our healthiest, our most vibrant, our most abundant in our perception of ourself, with youth intact, everything that we could ever want, we can still feel emotionally despondent during those days. And I think all of us can look back to moments outside of the times that we're experiencing right now when we had everything and we took it perhaps for granted emotionally and spiritually and psychologically, and we only wanted more. And here we are in different times, and we now have this perspective. So fortunately, things will change. Every energy is passing and it transforms. But perhaps this is just a gentle reminder that says, let's not forget the good times that we've had and be appreciative of those. And yes, we may be in difficult energies right now, but this will come to pass. And when we are in a different energy, let us be in that energy with a sense of pleasure. Because even though I'm seeing a despondence in the once was healthier energy, there is a sense of happiness even in these difficult times, of knowing that we still have the human spirit and that is intact. Thank you so much for joining me for this reading. It was a pleasure to bring it to you. Please look for any of my other readings. I have a variety of them through my playlists. Take care, you guys. Sending so much love to you.